Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy.
Integral time! This looks tricky, but it collapses fast with fractions and logs, and in under a minute you can lock in the right choice. First, factoring the denominator as 16 minus x squared equals 4 minus x times 4 plus x. Then use partial fractions to rewrite 1 over 16 minus x squared cleanly. Solving the partial fractions gives 1/8 times 1 over 4 plus x plus 1 over 4 minus x. So now integrate each term separately on 0 to 2. That antiderivative becomes 1/8 natural log of 4 plus x minus natural log of 4 minus x, and bounds simplify to 1/8 ln. Well done! Option D. Scan now, watch signs, and avoid rush. Trust given facts and check steps, because careful logs beat impulsive choices every time.